Are you struggling to lose weight and keep it off? Look no further. We have the perfect solution for you. The Healthy Lifestyle Plan. This comprehensive plan will not only help you shed those extra pounds, but also ensure that you maintain your weight in the long run. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that losing weight is not a quick fix. It requires dedication, commitment, and most importantly, a change in your lifestyle. The Healthy Lifestyle Plan focuses on creating a sustainable and healthy way of living rather than resorting to crash diets or extreme measures. To start your weight loss journey, it's essential to set realistic goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, as this is a healthy and achievable rate of weight loss. By setting smaller targets, you'll stay motivated and not get overwhelmed by the numbers on the scale. Next, it's time to make changes to your eating habits. The Healthy Lifestyle Plan promotes a well-balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Say goodbye to processed foods and sugary snacks. Instead, focus on incorporating nutritious and delicious meals into your daily routine. In addition to healthy eating, regular physical activity plays a crucial role in losing weight and maintaining overall health. The Healthy Lifestyle Plan encourages at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise such as brisk walking or swimming per week. Additionally, incorporating strength training exercises twice a week will help build muscle and increase your metabolism. One often overlooked aspect of weight loss is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and lead to increased hunger and cravings. The Healthy Lifestyle Plan emphasizes the importance of getting 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. This will not only help with weight loss, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Lastly, it's essential to surround yourself with a supportive network. Joining a weight loss group, partnering up with a workout buddy, or seeking guidance from a professional can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Having others to lean on for support, motivation, and accountability will keep you on track. So if you're tired of yo-yo dieting and want to lose weight and keep it off for good, the Healthy Lifestyle Plan is the answer. With its focus on sustainable changes, it's a comprehensive approach to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, losing weight is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, make healthier choices, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, happier you.